In the middle of changing the motor on my Grand Prix. I'm going to show you the progress. Looks like winter came early this year. This is my LeSabre that I had my supercharged 3800 in. Pulled it out. Transmission was bad. This is my Grand Prix. Paid $800 for. Working on taking the motor out. Got a rod knocking in it. And here's the motor that I'm putting in it with the headers that I installed on it. Got the screen out of the throttle body. Haven't installed the crossover pipe yet. Get the 3.3-inch pulley on it. I paid $70 for these headers. And there's the transmission.